A very good morning to one and all present. It gives me pleasure to welcome you all to this very special function, the launch of the book titled Treasures of Human Personhood by Father Dr. Patrick D'Souza. We are also indeed honored with the presence of the respected dignitaries on the dais. President of today's function, His Grace Dr. Felix Machado, Reverend Father John Fargos, Manager of the College and Diocesan Administrator, Father Patrick, the author of the book, Reverend Father Thomas Lopez, Administrator of the College, Dr. Robin Kakade, Father Patrick's guide. I also welcome all the family members of Father Patrick who have come to be part of this joyous occasion. Respected fathers from various dioceses, sisters, if present, from different convents and parishes of Vasai, ex-colleagues, Dr. Dilip Patil, Professor Alexander, OSD Richard Vaz sir, Dr. Pandeyji, students whom Father has mentored, Professor Vikram, Dr. Pallavi, who is also an author today, teaching and non-teaching faculties of the college, and students who are present for this function. What we see today in front of us is a dream that has been fulfilled, that Father Patrick has always visioned, that he has to bring it forward to the community. So Father Patrick has been associated and has been part of this institution for 25 years as a faculty and also as a vice principal of this college. And during his tenure, he has organized human personhood camps, and which we know as personality development camps, for students of different faculties, BCom, BA, and BSc IT when it started off. Today, through this publication of his book, Treasures of Human Personhood, we celebrate the culmination of Father Patrick's hard work and dedication, his relentless quest to reach out to the community at large. And this was his dream, that he wants to publish the book of what he has been doing so that the community also is aware of what contribution comes to these camps. Through his book, he has touched a very complex topic, and his effort to eliminate the various facets of human personhood and evolving the technique of supplementary education program, which was also the topic of his PhD thesis. Today, when the National Policy of Education 2020 emphasizes development of good human beings, capable of rational thought and thinking and action, possessing compassion and empathy, mere cognitive development without emotional development would be ruinous to self and to the society. In this context, Father Patrick's book, Treasures of Human Personhood, would be a beacon, a light to various educators, youth, and parents. So this book that is being revealed today, that is being unveiled today, also in the form of an e-book also, so that it reaches to the masses, the youth, which is always on the digital platform. So this is a way of reaching out to them also. And of course, the older generation who likes to still hold books and read and feel and touch them, we have physical books also. Yeah. And also the Father says the audio book also is available. So we'll be unveiling 3 different things today. On the digital platform and also the physical platform, we are unveiling his contribution through human personhood. So I would like to welcome the dignitaries, and we have amongst our midst the president and the chairperson of today's program. We welcome His Grace Archbishop Dr. Felix Machado, who has been leading this institution with his vision and insights of improvement and helping the institution progress during his tenure. I request Mr. Valerian D'Souza, Father Patrick's elder brother, to welcome him with a bouquet of flowers. We also welcome Mr. John D'Souza, brother of Father Patrick, to welcome him with a bouquet of flowers. Thank you. We extend our welcome to the administrator of the college, Father Thomas Lopez, who will be shouldering the responsibility of taking the college forward to newer areas of academic growth. I request Mrs. Julie Fonseca, sister of Father Patrick, to welcome Father with a bouquet of flowers. We have Dr. Robin Kakade as the guide, who has been guiding Father through his PhD doctoral work. I request Mrs. Elena D'Souza to welcome Dr. Kakade with a floral bouquet. Thank you. I take this academic and professional life, near and dear ones who have come to be part of this moment. Once again, welcome on behalf of the college. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.